everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share some simple Punjabi sentences with you which are perfect for beginners. Of course. Bilkul. 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 Really? Like if you were to confirm something with someone, it would be sachi. Next is okay and not okay. Okay is theek. Not okay is theek nahi or nahi theek. Next is a little bit. So this depends on what is being spoken about. So for feminine, it would be thodi thodi. For masculine, it's thoda thoda. So if someone says, is it raining outside? Which is bahar meeh penda, you would say thoda thoda. Because me is a masculine word, it would be thoda thoda. On the other hand, if somebody asked you, do you know how to speak Punjabi? Tonu Punjabi aunਦੀ? You would say thodi thodi. Because Punjabi is a feminine word. Punjabi, it ends in E. So it's a feminine word, which means you would respond with thodi thodi. Let me check. Minu dekhan deo. Menu dekhan deo. Not deo. Deo. Those are two different letters. There's a dadda and a dadda. Let me think about it. Menu sochan deo. Menu sochan deo. Menu sochan deo. Next is just a moment. The most common answer to this is 2 minute, which means 2 minutes, or 1 minute, which means 1 minute. The actual translation for just a moment is bas ek pal, but nobody really uses that. Instead, you could just say 2 minute. You're basically asking the other person to wait a couple of minutes for you. So we've got let's go take a look. A very shortened version is chalo dekhiye. Chalo, which means let's go. Dekhiye is to see. Chalo dekhiye. Nonsense. Bakwas. Nonsense is bakwas. Bakwas. Right here and right there. Right here is itte, itteya, and right there is utte, utteya. Right here, itteya. Right there, utteya. See you later. Bachon milde hain. Bachon milde hain. Bachon is the shortened version of actually two different words, which are baad vich. Instead of baad vich, it's just bachon. Kind of like how going to has been shortened to gonna. Baad vich has been shortened to bachon. Bachon milde hain. Or if you were to see someone tonight, so see you tonight is sham nu milde hain. Sham, which is evening time. Sham nu milde hain.